Hello everyone, I'm Sarsus Tuan. I'm here today to give you our answers in our oral recitations. The question we choose is the question number 3, which is the given of the government's use of buffer stock releases in early 2025 and the observed price stabilization by mid-2025. What short-term and long-term policy measures would you recommend to ensure both affordable rice for customers and sustainable incomes for farmers? So I'm Cyrus Uston again. And my answer is the short term release buffer stocks and give support to farmers so rice prices stay stable. This helps prevent sudden price increases and ensure enough rice in the market. It also protects consumers, especially low income families, from high rice prices. So the long term is improve farming tools, seeds, irrigation, and farmer training so farmers can produce more and earn better. This helps keep rice affordable for consumers and support farmers in the future. Strong investment in agricultural also strengthens food security and the economy over time.
I am Rialyn S. Ricaros, so my answer is policy recommendations for affordable rice and farmer income. So, short term is use targeted buffer stock to stabilize rice prices during harvest season and provide emergency subsidies to farmers facing price drops. So long term is invest in agricultural infrastructure like irrigation, market access, and offering training to farmers to provide productivity and quality, ensuring sustainable incomes while keeping consumer prices reasonable.
I am John Paul S. Ricaros. My answer is short term. The government should continue releasing buffer stocks to prevent sudden increases. It should also give temporary support to farmers such as subsidies and price monitoring to protect their income. Long term, the government should invest in better irrigation, quality seeds, and modern farming tools. Training farmers and improving farm technology will increase production and help farmers earn more while keeping rice prices affordable.
So my name is Liberato Junior Biricaros. My answer for that question is short-term measures release buffer stocks to lower prices, provide subsidies for customers and farmers, and monitor price closely. For the long-term measures, improve farm productivity, invest in storage and infrastructure, and support farmers with insurance and better market access.
In the long term, the government should continue targeted buffer stock releases, provide focused consumer subsidies, regulate rice imports carefully, and offer temporary support to farmers through input subsidies or insurance to maintain price stability without harming farm incomes. In the long term, policies should focus on institutionalizing price stabilization rules, improving rice productivity and infrastructure, strengthening farmer market access, expanding crop insurance and income diversification, and gradually shifting from price control is to direct income support. Together, these measures ensure affordable rice for consumers while securing sustainable income to farmers.